Introducing the AUET-1000-220V Torque Tester, a high-precision instrument designed to measure torque values with utmost accuracy and reliability. This advanced torque tester from AIMCO URYU combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features, making it an indispensable tool for quality control and testing applications. With a maximum capacity of 1000 Nm, 1000 kgf, cm, the AUET-1000-220V Torque Tester delivers precise and accurate torque measurements, ensuring confidence in your testing results. Covering a wide measurement range from 1 to 1000 Nm, 1 to 1000 kgf, cm, this torque tester accommodates various applications, from small electronic devices to heavy-duty industrial machinery. The intuitive control panel features a large LCD display and user-friendly buttons, enabling effortless operation and quick access to measurement data. The peak hold function captures and displays the maximum torque value, allowing you to easily identify peak torque during testing. The AUET-1000-220V Torque Tester offers multiple measurement modes, including real-time, peak, and preset modes, providing versatility for different testing requirements. With its exceptional accuracy, wide measurement range, and user-friendly interface, the AUET-1000-220V Torque Tester is an invaluable asset for quality control and testing professionals across various industries. Invest in this reliable torque tester and experience precise and dependable torque measurements time after time.